Hi, this is Deb Sinkus. I'm here to explain the experiment tracker board template that comes with CRO Flow. So this board is where you keep track of all of your experiment detailed information. So you have here, each item is a particular experiment. And then under the items, we're using sub-items for all of your variants. If you're doing an A/B test, you'll have a control and a B variant. Of course, if you're doing multivariant, you may have more than that. But in each case, you have a lot that you have to do to get ready, right? You have to do design, you have to develop it, you have to make sure it works, you have to test it. You might have mock-ups and screenshots and all kinds of other information. There's a lot that you have to keep track of. And then after the test runs, you have analytics that you want to pull in. You want to be able to see how many visitors were there, what were the conversions, etc. I think I have a couple in here with some details we can look at. Let me just navigate to that. Here's one that was here's one. So, you have your conversions and it calculates your conversion rate and the number of visitors and whether or not it had a revenue impact, all of that sort of thing. And then you'll see that it connects back to its hypothesis. And if you've watched the other parts of the system where we talk about the hypothesis board being deceptively simple, it's the part that connects this experiment back to its roots, back to its research, back to its idea, all of that. So you have all the tracking here for each particular experiment and all of the work that goes in underneath for the variants. And there's places to put everything, but of course, if you still need more work, that you want a little bit more granularity than the sub-item variants give you, then you can link to the CRO task board. The CRO task board is just an extra board that we provide with CRO Flow, but it gives you a place to be able to put those extra tasks and kind of keep the clutter out of your main process management boards. So that's the experiment tracker for CRO Flow.